Zestin Scoop, where every story celebrates learning and every achievement finds its voice.
This week, DZS School came alive with the joy of words, confidence, and creativity as they celebrated English Week.
Students from every segment participated enthusiastically in a variety of engaging language activities that inspired them to speak, write, and express themselves with confidence.
So come along with us as we bring you the wonderful highlights of this memorable celebration.
Well, every great journey starts with a small step, doesn't it, Kushi?
Absolutely, Namita. And when it comes to confidence, our youngest students prove that age is never a barrier to expressing themselves.
So let's begin our journey with Minibuzz
And witness how our little stars shone brightly through their words and expressions.
Our little Zestians amazed everyone with their confidence and cheerful expressions.
The show and tell activity gave young learners an opportunity to speak confidently about their favorite objects while enhancing their communication skills.
The poem recitation competition filled the campus with melodious rhymes, expressive voices, and delightful performances.
Students also showcased beautiful penmanship during the English handwriting activity, proving that every neatly written word reflected patience, dedication, and perfection.
Weren't the little Zestians simply adorable, Kushi?
They certainly were, Namita, but as student grows, so do their confidence, creativity, and communication skills.
So let's head over to Tween Times and discover the exciting competition that kept our students inspired throughout the week. In Tween Times, our middle school students displayed their growing language skills with remarkable enthusiasm.
The Spell Bee competition challenged participants to strengthen their vocabulary and spelling accuracy.
The extempore competition encouraged students to think instantly and present their thoughts confidently before the audience.
The English handwriting competition beautifully combined creativity with neatness, showcasing excellent writing skills.
The English quiz tested students' language knowledge, teamwork, and presence of mind.
The essay writing competition inspired young writers to express their ideas with imagination, clarity, and originality.
What an incredible display of talent from our middle school students.
Indeed, and now it's time to witness the confidence at its finest
So without any further delay, let's move into Senior Scoop.
and celebrate the remarkable communication skills of our senior Zestians.
Our senior students impressed everyone with their confidence, eloquence, and outstanding communication skills.
The speech delivery competition featured inspiring speeches filled with meaningful ideas, confidence, and impactful expressions.
The monologue activity brought character to life through captivating performances, expressive dialogue delivery, and confident stage presence.
The extempore competition challenged participants to think on their feet and present their ideas with confidence, clarity, and conviction.
What an incredible week it has been. English Week was not just a celebration of a language, it was a celebration of confidence, creativity, and communication.
Every activity encouraged our students to discover the power of words, express their thoughts fearlessly, and develop skills that will stay them for life.
Every participant proved that words have the power to inspire, connect, influence, and create lasting impressions.
Good morning, I am Greha from class 10C. What if failure didn't exist? Imagine a world where no one has ever failed, exams where everyone had full marks, competition where everyone is a winner, and your dreams came true in your very first attempt. It sounds perfect, doesn't it? But then I wonder what would we learn? Failure is painful. Failure embarrasses us. It makes us question ourselves. It makes us want to give up on the things. But failure teaches us something that success can never teach us. Every scientist that has changed the world has failed countless times. Every athlete has lost matches. And every successful person has heard the word no. If failure didn't exist, courage wouldn't exist either. Because courage doesn't mean winning every time. It means standing up again after you have fallen down. So, the very next time life gives you a choice between fear and trying, choose to try. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the participants, winners, and teachers whose dedication made this English Week a grand success.
We hope you enjoyed this special glimpse into the wonderful celebration across our campus.
This was our English Week special on Zestin Scoop.
Stay curious
Stay expressive
and keep learning. Until next time, stay tuned.